Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to backup and restore Microsoft Outlook. Let me first open the Microsoft Outlook program. So here is my Outlook, Microsoft Outlook. You can see the emails. First, let me first backup my Microsoft Outlook. To take backup, go to File, then go to Open and Export, then go to Import Export option. Click on this option. Now in these options, select Export to a file. Click on Export to a file. Click on Next. Then click on Outlook data file.pst. Click on Next. Click on Next and select the location where you want to take the backup of your file. Here let me select this PC on drive D, and here give a proper name for your backup file. This is my backup file name. Click on OK. Click Finish. Leave the password text box is blank. Click on OK. Now my Microsoft Outlook is backing up. Wait for some time to complete the backup. Okay, the backup file has been finished. Let me check the drive D. Here it is in drive D, and the size of the backup file is 592 MB. Let me delete this email to show you that how the backup file is working. I am deleting this email, then I will restore that backup file. It will recover this email. From here I am clicking on the delete. So the email file is deleted. Now let me restore my backup file. Click on Open to restore. Go to File, click on Open and Export. Click on Import Export. Now click on import from another program or file. Select this option. To restore your backup file, click on import from another program or file. Click on Next. Click on Outlook data file.pst. Click on Next. Now find your backup file. So my backup file is in drive D. Select the backup file. Click on Open. Click on Next. Click on Finish. Now it is going to restore my backup file. Wait for some time. Oh, now you can see the email that I had deleted earlier. Now it is recovered here from that backup file. So this was the video about backup and restore of Microsoft Outlook. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching.